Leslie Black, school bus driver from Pittsburgh, California, and I'm gonna win Survivor. Ha! You say, you're old and fat. You can't win Survivor, but I got news for you. I'm winning Survivor because I am old and fat. Fat just means a little bit of hungry will do me good. So when everybody else is starving to death, I'll just start to look slinky. And older's supposed to be wiser, and that's a good thing. It's also supposed to mean slower, but hey, I'm almost 50 years old, and this is what I do for fun. I'm also menopausal, so everybody's going to sleep with me at night when it's cold and rainy and I'm having hot flashes, and nobody's going to want to vote off their electric blanket. And there ain't a man alive that can mess with a menopausal woman and survive. So I'm going to win, and I'm going to have fun doing it. And you can have fun watching me. Just vote right now. Put your finger down there and vote. Choose me, because I'm going to win Survivor. Thanks. Bye.